Welcome to our comparison of two popular dash cams, the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K and the Black Pro 2.5K1080p. In today's video, we will dive into the specifications, features, and pricing of both products to help you determine which one is the best fit for your driving needs. We'll explore their video quality, smart features, and overall value. Let's get started. The TERUNSOUl 4K+4K dashcam offers an impressive dual recording capability at 4K resolution for both front and rear views, ensuring crystal clear footage that captures every detail. In contrast, the Black Pro provides a more modest 2.5K resolution for the front camera and 1080p for the rear, which, while sufficient for basic needs, does not match the clarity of the TERUNSOUl. This difference in resolution can be crucial for identifying details like license plates in the event of an incident. When it comes to pricing, the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K dashcam is positioned as a premium option at $366, reflecting its advanced features and high-resolution capabilities. On the other hand, the Black Pro offers a budget-friendly alternative at just $62.99, making it accessible for those who need a reliable dashcam without breaking the bank. This significant price difference highlights the trade-off between advanced features and affordability. The TERUNSOUl 4K+4K dashcam comes equipped with advanced features such as built-in GPS, 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, and app control, allowing for seamless video management and real-time tracking. In contrast, the Black Pro lacks these smart features, focusing instead on core functionality without connectivity options. This difference may influence your choice, depending on whether you prioritize advanced technology or straightforward operation. In conclusion, both the TERUNSOUl 4K+4K and the Black Pro 2.5K1080p dashcams offer unique advantages tailored to different user needs. If you seek top-tier video quality and advanced features, the TERUNSOUl is the clear winner. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly option that covers the basics, the Black Pro is a solid choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.